Everyone's going crazy about this bot. It's not just a bot or AI anymore. Imagine AI that has a full control over its query, right? That's why today I'm going to show you a safest and cleanest way to install it inside a Docker. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install it, a very simplest and the correct way, how to configure it so that you can configure your ChatGPT as an AI model and integrate Telegram to talk with your bot and pass the command. So first of all, we'll navigate to this GitHub repository. You'll find link in the description. This is a well-documented repository. So first of all, go and give a star, respect the developers, and then let's scroll down and copy this command and open my terminal and simply I paste it. And that's it. It will do everything for you. I'll just allow. Meanwhile, it'll push the container. I'll get back. I really love about this repository because this is just a one-liner, so you don't need to care about creating Docker Compose YAML file and pull all the images and do all the hacky stuff. It's just one line of command and it install everything. So now let's see the configuration. Here's very important thing, which OpenClaw also warns you about. It's like it is powerful and inherently risky. And that's why we are installing it on Docker so that we can control what it can control. I'm just doing yes, and we'll do a quick start. Then you probably heard about ChatGPT is giving a full year of subscription for free. So go grab that, and we are going to use ChatGPT as our model. So I'll simply select the first option, ChatGPT over. Now this is very important one because now we have to do two-step stuff manually. So first we'll copy this and paste it in our browser and log in with our ChatGPT. Continue. Once that's done, you'll see something like that. No need to panic, just go on URL and copy the entire URL and paste it over here. Simply, that's it. And it will authenticate automatically. Now we can select some models manually, but let's keep the current one, which is GPT 5.2. Now next part, and this is a very important part. Here we will configure our Telegram bot. So for that, let me show you my Telegram. Here's the Telegram and we'll find for bot father and let's open it. Tap on start. There are lots of options, but we are interested in new bot. Let's create a new bot. I'll give a name Chuchu bot. And next we need to give username to our bot. And one important thing, the username should end with underscore bot. So our bot is ready. So we need to use this access token to configure our bot. So let's move back to our setup. I'll be selecting Telegram bot. Just paste the token whenever it asks. So next option is skill configuration. For now, we don't want to do it. So I'll select no. I'll skip this one as well. It will take a little bit of time to configure everything. And once that's done, it will start your Clawdbot automatically. And it's done. Now let's check by sending a message to our bot. I'll simply click on start. Now we are just one step before to finish this configuration. This message means we need to send this pairing code to our bot so that it can authorize. Otherwise, anyone in the world can chat with our bot and it will eat all of your token. For that, we'll use a simple command. You'll get this command in a description. And that's it. Now your Telegram is approved and let's send our first message. Hi. And you can see our bot is typing. And that's it. Now you can make your bot to do anything. If you want it to do some research while you're sleeping, it can do. If you want to do some lead generation time to time, it can do it. If you want to check your email and then reply on behalf of you, it can totally do it. That's why it's very powerful. And now as you have installed it in your Docker, it's like giving a helmet so that it's secure and not going to hamper your base system. So quickly go and run your own bot. If you find any difficulties or get some error, just comment me and I'll reply on you that. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I post videos like this all the time. Till then, happy coding.